Hey everyone, if you're looking for that super luxurious sporty vehicle, then check out this 2012 Audi A4. It has leather heated seats, sunroof, and an amazing media center as well. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. And you can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So, comes in this gray exterior color. Have your Audi badge right there in the middle with these projector beam headlamps and fog lamps below. Has a really sporty and very sophisticated look to it. This has a 2-liter inline-4 engine, which can get you about 29 miles per gallon on the highway. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 17-inch alloy wheels. Your side mirrors have indicator lights on the sides, and they are power adjustable. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats that are heated. Really comfortable seats. You have power adjustable settings on the sides as well. And then looking at your steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth streaming and your media controls, and then your cruise controls are behind the steering wheel. Then looking over at your media center, you have your radio options right there. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You can also hook up your own device right there, and you can connect your phone with Bluetooth. You also have all of your climate controls up there that you can see. So when you adjust your fan settings or anything else, it shows up top. Then down below you have your CD insert, and then here are all your media controls, your climate controls, and your heated seat buttons. Behind here is a 12 volt. You also have your automatic stick, and then your 2 cup holders here in the middle. Love the design in the center right here. And then looking into your center console, you have another 12 volt. Looking up, you have controls for your sunroof, and you have garage door openers right here. So it's just really nice to have a sunroof, super fun feature. So let's look at the back seats. Okay, in this back seat, you have room for 3 passengers back here. You also have your cup holder armrest that folds down, and then your cup holders just pop out right there. You also have your 12 volt right there. And making your way around the side, you have your LED tail lamps, your 2T badging, and your A4 badging. And let's take a look into that trunk. I have a power trunk and tons of space in the back here. So overall, just love the appearance inside and out of this vehicle. And if you want to see this Audi or any of our other vehicles, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in my lot.
No fees processed. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.